everyone. Opening up, I believe, my last package from Peach, Southern Peach. I keep wanting to say Pop Shelf. I'll be right back. I need scissors. I actually have one more package, and it's just earrings, I think, that is left in there. Yeah. So just like some Halloween earrings I thought would go good with my pirate costume. So these items were from the very, very first order I put in. These were on back order. So this is leopard print, of course. Jumpsuit, halter neck. Keyhole front. Doesn't have pockets. I don't feel pockets. But it does have this tie waist thing. I'll be interested to see how this looks on. Unfortunately, I think I'm coming to the end. Well, you know what, Georgia's a lie. It might get worn again, but it's been extremely cold this week, and the pants are like wide leg or like flare or something. And then this is a two-piece, but like a nice two-piece, not like a lounge two-piece. And I kind of was hoping this was available for the Christmas cantata we went to. Ooh. So it comes with like this vest top. It has buttons, but you're exposing your midriff. So if I were to wear this at work, I think I'm gonna have to like put a nice like tank top or cardigan. I mean, not cardigan. I mean, yeah, cardigan, but a nice tank top or like a long sleeve turtleneck maybe would go in here. And then it has matching wide leg pants. And like usual, these were all larges, and I will do a try on for you as well. And then there should be like one last video, and that's that for my series. So I wanted to get on here real quick to do a voiceover. I wasn't feeling this jumpsuit. It was kind of cheaply made, it seems. So I ended up returning this, and then the two-piece outfit was also a bust, as I literally was busting out of it like a sausage in a casing. So I returned both of those. I ended up returning the blue turtleneck bodysuit as well, as I was busting out of that one. And yeah, so I should be done with this video and done with this first series in my unboxing with Southern Peach, and on to the next one, because I'll be returning these and getting a credit and getting some other things that I think will be a better fit for me. Thank you.